Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will provide you with a simple step-by-step guide on how to log into your Google Analytics account. Follow these instructions carefully to access your valuable data and insights. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Step 2. Navigate to the Google Analytics website. In the address bar of your browser, type in the URL www.analytics.google.com. Press Enter to load the Google Analytics homepage. Step 3. Click on Sign In. Once you're on the Google Analytics homepage, look for the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Select Google Analytics. After clicking on Sign In, you will see a drop-down menu with different Google services. Choose Google Analytics from the list. Step 5. Enter your Google account credentials. You'll be redirected to the Google Sign-In page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Google Analytics account and click Next. Then, input your password and click Next again. Step 6. Complete two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for your Google account, you will need to complete this step. Follow the prompts to verify your identity using your chosen method: text, authentication app, etc. Step 7. Access your Google Analytics dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be taken to your Google Analytics dashboard. Here you can view your website data, analyze traffic, and gain insights into user behavior. Don't forget to bookmark the Google Analytics page for quick access in the future. Thanks for following along with our tutorial. We hope this step-by-step guide has helped you log into your Google Analytics account effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content.